Today is about the innocent lives and our efforts to help them remain innocent.
A priest in the Buffalo Catholic Diocese back in the spotlight tonight after being accused of possessing child pornography. Good evening once again. I'm Jeff Russo. 46-year-old Jeffrey Nowack was arrested on federal charges after an FBI investigation linked him to an online group where child pornography was shared. His home was then searched by the FBI, where agents allegedly found videos of child pornography on several electronic devices. Nowack has been on administrative leave from the diocese since August of 2019, following a separate investigation into inappropriate contact with children and harassment of a seminarian. This was while he was a priest in Cheektowaga. It was our 7 News I-Team reporting that led to that investigation. Former I-Team investigator Charlie Speck speaking at the time with the mother of the seminarian. Take a look.
As I-Team Chief Investigator Charlie Speck learned, Bishop Malone has known about the allegations for months.
Father Nowack broke the seal of confession, stole documents, and Bishop Malone has done absolutely nothing.
The mother of a seminarian wants to know why Bishop Malone is allowing a Cheektowaga pastor to remain in ministry despite allegations of inappropriate contact with children, harassment of a seminarian, and perhaps the greatest Catholic sin of all, violating the seal of confession.
I'm forcing the bishop's hand. I want the people of Buffalo to know there is no transparency. He's been covering this up for 9 months and has not done a thing to Father Nowack as of today.
Marie Bojanowski's son Matthew is a seminarian in the Buffalo Diocese. She says Father Jeffrey Nowack, pastor of Our Lady Help of Christians Church in Cheektowaga, sexually harassed her son while he was considering joining the priesthood. Letters sent by her and her son to the diocese describe, quote, unwelcomed advances that included messages saying, if I wasn't a priest and I sought out a relationship, it would be a person like you that I would seek out. You are in good physical shape and have the good looks. When you become a priest, you will be what we call clerical eye candy.
I got to admit it. I thought he was a wonderful person. He was helping my son to discern for the seminary. And come to find out, he's just a predator.
Now, that was back in 2019. Now, 7 years later, the investigation was reopened, and Nowack was charged with receipt and possession of child pornography. 7 News senior reporter Maki Becker was in court this morning and brings us the latest.
Pig Boy 666, which is the numbers that stand for Satan.
There was a USB drive that was found that was recovered in a Bible case.
Disturbing details emerging as Jeffrey Nowack, a priest, put on leave 7 years ago following allegations of misconduct, charged Thursday in federal court with possession and receipt of child pornography. Now, cameras aren't allowed inside of federal court, but I was inside the courtroom as Jeffrey Nowack appeared before the judge. He was shackled, he answered some questions politely, and the judge ordered that he remain remanded until Monday when they're going to hold a detention hearing. U.S. Attorney Michael DiGiacomo explained how the investigation began.
In 2025, the FBI received information from a Scotland law enforcement agency regarding a Telegram group whose members participated in calls where these participants could view and share child exploitation material.
They tracked the IP address to Jeffrey Nowack, a former priest at St. Vianney in Cheektowaga. The FBI investigated him in 2019, but did not charge him. The diocese put him on leave. The FBI raided Nowack's home in Lackawanna Wednesday. At the time that the FBI went to the home to execute the search warrant, that at around that same time that we believe he was viewing child exploitation material. According to court documents, Nowack admitted to using online platforms to obtain child pornography for years. Rashard Bernat, a whistleblower in the Buffalo Diocese child sex abuse scandal, says in some ways he feels vindicated by Nowack's arrest.
I want to cry, basically. You know, there's no you can't celebrate this. This is so serious and so pathetic, and Where is the diocese? Where is the bishop?
The diocese saying in a statement that Nowack has not been permitted to function as a priest since 2019, and they will cooperate fully with the investigation. Maki Becker, 7 News, Buffalo.